Isla Mujeres, Mexico's island of women and waterfront wonders. Imagine a paradise where turquoise waters meet pristine sandy beaches, where the vibrant culture of Mexico comes alive, and where every corner tells a story of beauty and history. Welcome to Isla Mujeres, Mexico's enchanting island of women. Nestled just off the coast of Cancun, this idyllic island is a haven for travelers seeking both relaxation and adventure. From its stunning natural landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, Isla Mujeres offers a unique blend of experiences that captivate the heart and soul. Isla Mujeres, which translates to Island of Women, has a name steeped in legend and history. The island was sacred to the ancient Mayan goddess Ixchel, the goddess of the moon, love, fertility, and medicine. According to legend, the Mayans would leave offerings in the form of female figurines on the island as tributes to Ixchel. When Spanish explorers arrived in the 16th century, they discovered these figurines and named the island Isla Mujeres. This rich historical backdrop adds a layer of mystique and allure to the island. Visitors can explore remnants of the island's ancient past at the southern tip, where the remains of a temple dedicated to Ixchel still stand. This cultural and historical significance makes Isla Mujeres more than just a beautiful destination. It is a place where the ancient and the modern intertwine, offering visitors a unique glimpse into the island's storied past. Isla Mujeres is renowned for its stunning beaches, each offering its own unique charm. Playa Norte, or North Beach, is often cited as one of the best beaches in the world. With its powdery white sand and shallow, crystal-clear waters, it's the perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, and snorkeling. The gentle waves and warm waters make it ideal for families and those looking to relax in a picture-perfect setting. On the island's eastern coast, you'll find Playa Lancheros and Playa Garrafon, which are known for their incredible snorkeling and diving opportunities. The vibrant coral reefs teem with marine life, offering snorkelers and divers a breathtaking underwater world to explore. The clarity of the water and the diversity of the marine ecosystem make Isla Mujeres a top destination for underwater enthusiasts. Whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the depths of the ocean, the natural beauty of Isla Mujeres is sure to leave you in awe. Isla Mujeres is an excellent destination for families, offering a variety of activities that cater to all ages. The calm, shallow waters of Playa Norte make it a safe and enjoyable spot for children to swim and play. Families can spend the day building sandcastles, snorkeling in the clear waters, or enjoying a picnic on the beach. For a fun and educational experience, families can visit the Torre de Granja, a turtle farm dedicated to the conservation of sea turtles. Here, visitors can learn about the different species of turtles that inhabit the region and observe baby turtles up close. The farm's programs are both engaging and informative, making it a great outing for children and adults alike. Another family-friendly attraction is Garrafon Natural Reef Park, where you could enjoy ziplining, kayaking, and exploring the natural beauty of the island's coastline. Isla Mujeres is a perfect destination for couples seeking a romantic getaway. The island's serene beaches, stunning sunsets, and intimate dining options create an ideal setting for romance. Couples can enjoy a private sunset cruise, complete with champagne and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. The island's boutique hotels and resorts offer luxurious accommodations, many with private balconies or beach access, providing the perfect setting for a romantic escape. For a truly memorable experience, couples can arrange a beachside candlelit dinner. Several restaurants offer this service, where you can enjoy a gourmet meal under the stars with the sound of the waves as your soundtrack. The combination of delicious food, attentive service, and the natural beauty of Isla Mujeres makes for an unforgettable romantic evening. Whether you're celebrating an anniversary, honeymoon, or simply looking to reconnect, Isla Mujeres provides the perfect backdrop for romance. Isla Mujeres is committed to preserving its natural beauty and promoting sustainable tourism. The island's ecotourism initiatives focus on protecting the local environment and wildlife, while providing visitors with unique and educational experiences. Guided eco-tours are available, offering insights into the island's diverse ecosystems, including mangroves, coral reefs, and tropical forests. Visitors can participate in conservation activities, such as beach cleanups and turtle release programs. These hands-on experiences allow you to contribute to the island's preservation efforts, while learning about the importance of environmental stewardship. Isla Mujeres' commitment to sustainability ensures that its natural wonders can be enjoyed by future generations, making it a responsible and rewarding travel destination. When the sun sets, Isla Mujeres comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. The island offers a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues where you can dance the night away or enjoy a relaxing evening with friends. Hidalgo Street, the island's main thoroughfare, is lined with lively bars and restaurants offering everything from salsa dancing to live rock bands. For a more laid-back evening, visitors can enjoy a cocktail at one of the many beachfront bars, where the sound of the waves and the gentle sea breeze create a relaxing atmosphere. Several venues also offer cultural performances, including traditional Mexican music and dance, providing a taste of the local culture. Whether you're looking for a night of dancing and excitement or a quiet evening under the stars, Isla Mujeres has something to offer. Exploring Isla Mujeres is easy and enjoyable, thanks to the island's compact size and various transportation options. One of the most popular ways to get around is by golf cart, which you can rent for a day or longer. This fun and convenient mode of transport allows you to explore the island at your own pace, stopping to visit attractions, beaches, and local eateries along the way. Bicycles and scooters are also available for rent, offering another great way to see the sights. For those who prefer a more traditional mode of transport, taxis are readily available and affordable. Walking is another option, especially in the downtown area, where many of the island's shops, restaurants, and attractions are located within easy walking distance. No matter how you choose to get around, exploring Isla Mujeres is a breeze. Planning a trip to Isla Mujeres is simple, with a variety of accommodation options to suit all budgets and preferences. From luxurious beachfront resorts to charming boutique hotels and budget-friendly hostels, there's something for everyone. It's a good idea to book your accommodation in advance, especially during peak travel seasons, to ensure you secure your preferred lodging. Ferry services from Cancun to Isla Mujeres run frequently throughout the day, making it easy to reach the island. The ferry ride takes about 15 to 20 minutes, offering stunning views of the turquoise waters and a refreshing sea breeze. Once on the island, you'll find a welcoming community and a relaxed atmosphere that invites you to unwind and enjoy your surroundings. Isla Mujeres is a destination that offers something for everyone. Its stunning natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and diverse range of activities make it an ideal getaway for travelers seeking both adventure and relaxation. Whether you're exploring ancient Mayan ruins, diving into the vibrant underwater world, enjoying a romantic sunset cruise, or simply lounging on a pristine beach, the magic of Isla Mujeres is sure to captivate your heart and soul. So pack your bags and set sail for this enchanting island paradise, where unforgettable experiences and cherished memories await. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.